Day 2 of upgrading our micronation. South Fendel is not completely finished because we still have some open areas right here. So today we're going to try and patch those up. Big rain left our roads very muddy, so hopefully that's not too big of a problem. Let's go and get some planks to build with. First, let's start right here. After lots of hard work, we finally got all the walls on the house. On a door and a formal floor some other time, but for now we need to get on to other things. We're gonna write on this board to mark our territory and make a sign. The board is ready to be hung up, and boom, just like that, we got our border sign here. So then when people are driving on this road, they know that they're entering Lockish territory. Now it's time for one last addition for the day. We'll be putting this shooting target bag inside of Lochnid's top military base, Fort Diggus. Now I can put this on top. The aiming setup is looking better. Our Micronation is operating much better with these brand new upgrades. If you have any suggestions for stuff to upgrade next, then put them in the comments. Longum Vivere Lochnid.